Hey Prof, why is welding fume extraction so important?
Sure, pleasure to explain. During every arc welding process you create welding fume. The welding fume comes from the filler material, and depending on the chemical composition it can contain hazardous components, and after a longer time that the welder is operating, this welding fume can also cause cancer, and that means you have to do something. And of course, the thing that you should do is use fume extraction. And we have now solutions for both MIG-MAG welding and also for TIG welding. TIG welding, especially because in many cases you work with stainless steel, and the chromium in the stainless steel, that really can cause cancer. And so also for TIG welding there is a need for fume extraction. Any questions for the Weld Prof? Please contact me.